Hello, 9th standard children. Today I am going to study geography. In that first chapter, our state Karnataka. In this chapter, you will be learning the greatness of our state and its heritage, the original of the name Karnataka and the form of the Karnataka. Then, the geographical location, size, land and water, furnitures, and neighboring states of Karnataka. Now we will study of the introduction of the Karnataka. Our state Karnataka is a land of Kannadigas. It is one of the Indian state which has its own great prestige and heritage. This land has an ideal situation. It is blessed with drastic relief features like flora and fauna, different types of soils, river systems, minerals, and human resources. It is a prosperous land with its own literature like art and culture, religion, spiritual, pilgrim centers, and many places in Karnataka are famous for their world heritage. Now we'll study about the original of the name. The name Karnataka has been in use from ancient time only. This land used to be called as Karnudu. Kar plus Nud equal to is equals to a land of black soil. The word Karnudu refers to the Karnataka in the ancient time by Tamil work Shilpadi Karma. Karnudu means the land which is on a elevated plateau. It has been mentioned in Nurputungana's grammatical work like Kaviraja Marga that Karnataka extended from the Kaveri River up to the Godavari River. After the independence, India was divided into many states. In 1947, nine southern districts were under the rule of the Mysore kings were brought together to form what a Mysore state. It is found the commemorations of this event that Kannada Rajyotsava is celebrated every year on 1st November. Our state was renamed as Karnataka in 1st November 1973 respond to the wishes of Kannadigas. Our state was renamed as Karnataka. Now we'll study about the geographical location. Karnataka is one of the 29 states of India. It is situated in the southern part of India, in the western central area of the peninsular region. It extends from 11 degree to 31 north to 18 degree to 45 north latitude and 74 to 12 east to 78 to 40 east latitude. Its length is 750 kilometers, stretching from the Arad Taluka in Bidar district in the northernmost strip of state to Chamrajnagar district in the south children. Its width is 400 kilometers from the west to east. Then Karwar in Uttar Kannada district is at the western, whereas Mul- Mulbangla Taluk in Kolar district is at the eastern end. Karnataka state has both land and water furnitures too. Now we'll study about the Arabian Sea in the west, states of Maharashtra in the north, Andhra Pradesh in the east, Tamil Nadu in the south and the southeast, Kerala in the southwest, and Goa in the northwest from its furnitures. The Karnataka shape is like a chestnut children. Okay. Now we'll study about the size of Karnataka. Karnataka stretches over an area of 1,91,791 square kilometers. It is the Indian's eighth largest state with regard to area. And according to the 2011 census, it has the ninth position with a population of 6 crore 11 lakh 30,704. Karnataka occupies 5.83 percentage of Indian geographical area. At present, there are 30 districts in our states. So, how many are there? 30 districts. These districts comprises of 176 taluks, 747 hoblis, 347 towns and cities, and 27,481 villages. In this, which is the largest, means Belagavi district is the largest in size, and Bengaluru urban district is the smallest children. The capital is ours Bengaluru of Karnataka. The state has been divided into four divisions for, like you can tell as a administrative convocations. As I told you, it has been divided into four divisions. First one Bengaluru, second Mysore, Belagavi and Kalburgi. With this, I have completed the lesson. Thank you, children.